in their hot and sizzling swimwear. So now is a portion we're in, Hunks. You may relax first as our judges are tabulating the scores for our afternoon's competition.
4, 5, 6.
Alam ko medyo rainy season na tayo kanina, lakas ng ulan, but the whole easy time becomes hotter and hotter, of course, because of the portion that just happened. And once again, let me invite all of you. Our wild card will be held on November 19th. Fashion show pre-pageant will be on November 26th. And the most awaited part of this pageant, the grand finals, will be held on December 3, 2022. Please support our 8th elimination round that will be held, of course, next week. Friday po yan. Okay, hindi po Saturday. Friday, October 28th. And of course, we would like to acknowledge Mr. Chester of DTM, our choreographer, block director, of course, DTM. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Alright, so now is the portion we're in. Kilalanin natin yung mga hunks natin a little bit more. Starting with, of course, hunk number 1. Ito, brother, usually kinakausap ko yung mga hunks natin because I mentioned earlier, may mga nasa YouTube na tayo ngayon eh, may mga vloggers. So malay nyo, now is the perfect time, may makapag-vlog, na-capture yung moment, sabihin nila, uy, okay to, si hunk number 1, pansin ba kung kontakin ko, book natin siya for modeling, or book natin siya for any probably guesting, di ba? So, brother, simple question. How are you feeling right now? May gusto ka bang pasalamatan? Of course, promote nyo yung mga social media pages nyo. If you have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, invite nyo sila, follow nyo sila. Kindly follow me on my social media pages. Ganun lang, brother.
Thank you for sharing. So anyway, hi everyone. Feeling right now is actually different. The usual thing that I do, but anyway, I just want to thank you first for my manager here, who actually invited me here to join this Manila sfinesthunks. Anyway guys, please follow me on Facebook. I have JR, this JR, and the same thing. Same goes with my IG, Instagram, JS for the same time. So anyway, thank you so much again for having me here. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the fans. See you guys.
Alright, very eloquent. Mahusay, pwede rin possible future host. Alright, moving on, hunk number 2, pare. Same question. You don't really have to speak in English. Kung saan ka mas komportable, importante, makilala ka ng mga manonood natin. Okay, there you go.
Good evening, I'm Gerald Wilwam from Dagupan, Pangasinan. Maraming salamat sa event ito dahil nakarating ako sa Manila. Sa Manila Hunks Finest. Salamat sa mainit na pagsalubong sa akin. Sige po.
Media.
Alright, so if you want to contact hunk number 2, you can just, I'm pretty much sure you have your agent right over here. So kontakin nyo na lang po ang agent ni hunk number 2 if you want further bookings, and of course kung gusto nyo siyang tuning talent. Alright, hunk number 3, brother. Same question, how are you doing? Pakilala ka and invite them on your social media pages.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta rito at nanood. Follow nyo ako sa Facebook, Jan Harvey Galang. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Alright, that was short and sweet. Very manly talaga. Si hunk number 3. Of course, di tayo mapatalo hunk number 4. Hunk number 4, kindly introduce yourself and malay mo, may mga manonood dyan, get to pick you up and invite you for other competitions. Malay mo, mag-compete kayo internationally.
Okay, so hello everyone, good evening. My name is Christian Villarin and I am 24 years old. Actually, this is just I did not expect to join this kind of pageant, Manila Finest Hub. I just saw this one on Facebook, but God's perfect timing, I'm here. And also, if you want to follow me and to get to know me more, just add me or Christian Villarin. And also on Instagram, Christian Villarin, all in lowercase, no space, and the number 10. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Christian. See the power of social media nowadays. You just post your branding, you post whatever you want to share with other people, kung paano ka mo gusto makilala, and you never know. You never know, brother, isa sa inyo mag-move on na sa Grand Finals at baka isa sa inyo kinakausap ko ngayon would probably be the grand winner of Manila's finest hunk. Alright, moving forward, hunk number 5.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Zandro Gomez. If you want to follow me, you can just follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Zandro Gomez. Zandro, it's a Z. And Twitter, and IG, Zandro Go 1. Thank you.
Alright, so if you guys want to follow Zandro Gomez, that's Zandro with a Z, with a Z, and the Zandro 1 para sa IG. Okay, sorry, thank you so much, brother. And last but not the least, of course, hunk number 6.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael Sales. I'm 26 and my TikTok is Aldrich05 and my IG is Aldrich5. Thank you everyone.
Alright, that's interesting. Aldrich05 with a 0 for the TikTok and Aldrich5 for the IG. Alright. Guys, the reason why I'm telling this because the power of social media talaga nowadays are crazy. You can build your brand, you can build yourself through social media, and ang daming sumisikat, ang daming yumayaman, ang daming nakakatulong sa mga family members sila using social media. And you guys are so young, you guys can really take advantage of the advent of internet nowadays. So, without further ado, I'm pretty much sure, are we done tabulating? Not yet? Medyo mahirap ang tabulation sa araw na ito. Pinahihirapan nyo yung mga judges natin. Once again, for our hunks, of course, there would be some of you who gets to move on to the grand finals. Maybe all of you will get to move on to the grand finals. I haven't gotten the tabulations yet. Kung hindi naman, may chance kayo mag-move on sa wild card. Wild card enables you to compete again, give yourself a chance to prove that you are truly worthy of bringing home the crown, and of course, get the chance to bring home the Manila's Finest Hunk Trophy. Pag hindi naman talaga pinalad, you know what? This is a good learning experience and you never know. Diba? Pag sumali ka ulit next year, a couple of years, you get to win the title. And sa lahat ng gustong sumali ng Manila's Finest Hunks, here are our mechanics. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is visit, of course, the Manila's Finest Hunk Facebook page, or you may ask for the form here at Isitan Cinema Complex. If you are age if you are age 18 to 28 years old, at least 5'7" in height, applicants must be physically fit, healthy, and possess good looks with pleasing personality. Don't forget to submit your close-up picture, whole body, birth certificate, and any valid IDs. Okay, ito na. Mukhang nasa kamay ko na ang